Hey everybody, Rob here for Southwest Florida Television. If you're headed to Vanderbilt Beach Park, down at the south end of Vanderbilt Beach, don't expect to be using the drop-off. They have it closed. They are starting work on the sand berm. So it's kind of a pain in the butt down here now. I think the dump trucks are going to start rolling in next week. Right now they're just putting all the planking out on the beach so the trucks don't get stuck when they dump their loads. But it is a bit of an inconvenience, and it's going to be going on for a while. This is the only access they have for this whole stretch of beach, Vanderbilt Beach, Pelican Bay Beach. My advice is to go north, go up to Bluebell, go park in Connor Park and walk over the bridge to go to the beach. Unless you want to deal with this. The parking lot's open and there is a little pathway out to the beach. I'm sure access is going to be changing as the project moves forward. Changes, I'll definitely let you know. But right now they're kind of funneling everybody to the right here, to the north, and you're kind of getting forced to sit in the shade of the condos right now. But here's all that planking, decking, whatever they're putting out on the beach. Sand berm. It's going to be 20 to 30 feet wide, knee high. It's going to run from here down to Marco Island, kind of starting at both ends, working their way towards the middle, I guess. So there you have it. Here's what's going on at Vandy Beach, as us locals call it. Spread it around, share the word. Feel free to comment, share your opinions of this project and the sand berm and what you think its effectiveness is going to be. All right, my friends, thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay strong. Tally ho, everyone, tally ho. For Southwest Florida Television, I'm Ron Stan. God bless.